everyone, so today we're making raisin rice and we have 3 cups of basmati rice, a half cup of raisins and 3 bay leaves, a cup of peanuts, and 1 coconut chipped. And we have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so we're going to blend the coconut with 2 cups of water. To the pot. So we're going to strain the coconut milk out of the coconut mixture.
And rice here. And the next 2 cups of water. Throw it in top here.
I'm going to add 2 more cups of water. So we're going to leave it until it starts to boil.
Right.
Now that the rice has started to boil, we are going to cover it and reduce the heat to simmer.
Right.
So first we're going to add
Only the bay leaves.
Only the bay leaves.
Yeah. Turn it up.
We're going to put a tablespoon of butter to saute the peanuts. So we're going to add the peanuts to the buttery stove. So I'm just going to take it out and put it in a bowl. Okay, so it's been cooking for 15 minutes and it is
now
ready.
we're going to add the raisin.
We're going to add raisins and the nuts. So you have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're going to mix it up. Really good. You can taste the coconut.